Hello, friends. Good evening. Yesterday we had a glimpse through about feedback and how it is important to progress ourselves from knowing what we are good and bad at. Correct? So, today I just thought maybe continue the feedback topic with one important key element, that is how to handle or how to understand and digest yourself with negative feedback. So when you get good feedback, you feel so thrilled, excited, and so much of positive energy pumps in, right? But it is the straight opposite when you receive a negative feedback. Honestly speaking, you will really feel very dejected or very much low in energy. Correct? First thing what you would think when you receive a negative feedback is it really true, or does that person really understood me in that manner, or that you think of many ways to actually convert those negative feedback. It's not because of me. I think that's a perspective of there's a mistake in his perspective about me. So these kind of justifications and questionings and filtering comes in, like whether it is really relevant to me, does it feedback really mean to me. So many filters you add in and you try to neglect those negative feedback. But in actual, negative feedback is really important to be dissected and worked upon. So what should be your strategy to understand and procure that negative feedback within you? So the first thing that you have to do is to listen carefully. So you have to listen what the feedbacker, as the person who is giving you feedback, has to say. So that means have patience, listen to him fully, and try to understand it. The second point is actually do not react. Do not react as soon as you get your feedback, especially when it is negative. So do not react. You take time to think over it. Maybe give him the immense response telling that, yeah, thanks for your feedback, but do not react on his feedback. Okay. And the third point is actually ask more questions. Ask more questions on why you think I didn't perform, or why do you think that it didn't go well. Try to ask more questions and relate it to some instances so that it gets registered in your mind, and the next time when you do such activity, this comes out. This actually reminds you, okay, this I had a feedback on this previously. Now I should really correct this this time. So in that way, the third question, like when you ask more and more question, and when you ask how it is related, would you give me an example of why did you say that it didn't work as you expected. So these kind of questioning and asking the scenarios will make you more concrete on why, or make you more justified to the feedback what the person gives, right? So yeah, so guys, friends, these are the 3 points which I normally take care when I get feedbacks, and especially when it is a negative feedback, I try to recollect or make the person recollect what were his bad experiences or instances of giving me that particular negative feedback to work upon. So I hope this was really helpful for all of you. Okay, thank you all. Then good night.